we will start with the second term chapter, linear equations in two variables. Okay, now last year we studied linear equations in one variable, okay. This year we have two variables. See this is my equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X is one variable and y is the second variable. So we have two variables, x and y. Correct? So ABC are the real numbers. Are supposed to be real numbers, A, B and C. But A and B are non-zero at the same time. They both have to be non-zero, because if A becomes 0, then this x term gets eliminated. So then you will just get by plus c equal to 0. So this becomes how many variables? This becomes only one variable. Suppose if y is equal to 0, then this term gets eliminated. So you will get ax is equal to 0. Okay, and this will become a linear equation in one variable. But it is linear because the power is 1. Right? So power is 1. Okay, therefore it is known as a linear equation. Is this clear? This part is clear? Okay, so let's start with exercise 5.1. Now this year, because of the pandemic, you have only one way of solving linear equations. Okay, you do not have the substitution method, you only have the elimination method. We have only the elimination method, okay, in order to solve a linear equation. However, let's start with exercise 5.1. Let us start with exercise 5.1, right? Let us start with exercise 5.1. Okay. See my first sum. By using variable x and y, form 5 linear equations in two variables. 5 linear equations in two variables. Okay, so I'm giving you a chance to be a teacher. So you can write 3x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, so you can write 3x plus y is equal to 4. Or you could write x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, no problem. Only it should have x, it should have y. This should not be 0. Okay, both of them at the same time. Okay, and okay, they should not be 0 at the same time. That's all. Then we can write any other equation. What other equation you want to write? You want to write minus now. X minus y is equal to 3. You can write x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 also, no problem. Okay, or x minus y equal to minus 3. Okay, now this is there. One more. Okay, then one more we can write is, suppose we write 4x, okay, plus 3y, okay, is equal to 7. This is also a linear equation in two variables. Come on, let me see you giving me one more example, okay, which you like. You can write the fifth example. Okay, so this is my question number 1 from exercise 5.1. Okay, now now see the next question. Okay, question number 2. Now the equation which is given to you is, x plus y equal to 7. So if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, now x plus y is 1, so 1 plus y, so y will be equal to 6, right? Now if x is equal to, suppose 2, then come on, tell me what is y? Y will be equal to 7 minus 2. How much is that? 5, because 2 plus 5 should give me 7. Is that clear? Now this is if, right? Now next one, if. Now let's take a negative number. I know you all don't like negative numbers. X is equal to minus 7. Then what will be y value? Then y is equal to, come on, tell me. This x is minus 7. So when minus 7 goes on that side, it becomes plus 7. Right? So look here. X plus y is equal to 7. Therefore, minus 7 plus y equals to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7 plus 7. Therefore, y is equal to 14. If my x is minus 7, then my y is equal to 14. Correct? So, how many solutions they are asking you for? 5 solutions. Now, did you understand how to write these solutions? Right. Now, the next one. Now, suppose I want to take y. Suppose I take if y is 0. Then tell me what should x ka value be? Substitute and tell me. Y is 0. So, what should x be equal to? Then x is equal to 7, because 0 plus 7 gives me 7. Now again, if I take x, if I take y as 1, then x, come on, tell me what is the value of x? X is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6, right? So these are my 5 solutions that I am writing for the equation x plus y equal to 7. X plus y equal to 7, right? Now there are 2 methods. Okay, there are 2 methods of solving, right? But this year we are only going to focus on elimination method, not substitution method. So we are going to do only elimination method. Okay, we are not going to do substitution method. We are only going to do elimination method of solving a linear equation. Is that clear? So please write the name of the method, elimination method. Okay, now let's see how we do this, right? Just to get the maximum page coverage. Okay, I'm rubbing all this, right? So I'm going to make this chapter 5. I'm using more place. Linear equations, 2 variables, correct? 2 variables. This is just my short form, okay? Because, okay, now see my first question. My first question is x plus y equal to 4. And the second equation is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Okay, these are my 2 equations, right? X plus y is 4 and 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Now boys, please, children, please pay attention. The equation should be of the type x plus y equal to constant. If it is not of this type, you write it in this type. Okay, when it is in this type, in this way, in this form, you call this as equation 1. Okay, similarly here 2x minus 5y, so x and y equal to constant, you call this as equation 2. Correct? Yes or no? This is my first step, to label the 2 equations, right? Now you look at the coefficients. This is 1x and this is 2x. Correct? Are the coefficients the same? No, they are not the same. Now you look at y. Look at y. 1y and 5y. Are the coefficients the same? No, they are not the same, right? So we have to make either the coefficient of x or the coefficients of y the same. So in order to do that, I have to multiply by some term. So I will say multiplying equation 1 by this number. I can take it by 2. So actually I am multiplying this equation by 2. I am multiplying this equation by 2. And this equation, multiplying equation 2 by this coefficient. We just change the coefficient. So here we will put 1. So multiplying by 1 doesn't make a difference, right? So I'm going to multiply this equation by 1. I'm going to multiply this equation by 2. Right? Now when I multiply by 2, multiply each and every term. So I will get 2x. Okay, let me write it a little centrally. We will get 2x plus, now multiply 2 into y, 2y is equal to 2 4s are 8. Okay, let me call this equation as equation 3 because I am making a new equation. So I am calling it as equation 3. Now look at this. This is 2x minus 5y because I am multiplying by 1. I am not making any change, is equal to 1. This is my equation 2. I am not changing this equation, so I don't change the number here. Is that clear? It is equation 2 itself. Right? Now pay attention, boys. Now look at this. This is 2 and 2. Both are the same, right? So wherever it is the same, put that in a bracket. Put that in a bracket. Okay? Now look at the signs in front of them. Look at the signs in front of them. The sign here is plus and the sign here too is plus. Right? Now, please remember, when the signs are the same, okay, I have to subtract the two equations. When the signs are the same, I have to subtract the two equations. Look at the signs in front of the one that you have put in the box which have the equal coefficients. And when the signs are different, okay, I have to add both the equations. Can you understand this? Did you understand this very carefully? So if the signs are the same, I must subtract, and if the signs are different, I have to add both the equations. Okay, so now let us see subtracting. Subtracting matlab, okay, changing the sign. This is plus, so I'll make it minus. This is minus, so I'll make it plus. And this is plus, so I'll make it minus. I have to subtract, means I have to change the sign. So what I did is I subtract equation 2 from 1. Whenever I subtracted 2 from 1 means I changed the signs of 2 from 1 from equation 1. Okay, from equation 1. Okay, so I change the signs of 2. Now when I change the signs, plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. So this term gets cancelled. 2y plus 5y is 7y. 7y is equal to 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7 upon 7. Therefore, y is equal to 1. So I got the value of y as 1. Now I want the other value, correct? I want the other value. Okay, so now I will take the simplest equation. So I will say substituting, let me just take another page also. Substituting, can you see this? Okay, substituting y equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, look at this. X plus y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 4. Therefore, x plus 1 equals to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So now I will write, therefore, this is the way I write the answer. X equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the given equations. This is the way you write your answer, of the given equations. Okay, I hope this sum is very clear. Okay, now let's see the next question. Okay, I'm going to solve all the sums because it's very important for 10th standard, this chapter. Okay, okay, so now I will do my equation number 2, my sum number 2, the sum number 2. Okay, so see my sum. 2x, see the question. Okay, so 2x plus y equal to 5. Okay, is it in the form x plus y equal to constant? Yes, so no problem. 3x minus y equal to 5. Okay, this is also of the type x minus y equal to constant. So absolutely no problem. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, you call this equation as equation 1. You call this equation as equation 1, and you call this equation as equation 2. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. Now look at the coefficient. Look at the number in front of it. Look at the number in front of it. Okay, now look at this number. 2 and 3. Is it the same? No. Look at the number here. 1 and 1. Is it the same? Yes. So now I'll put this in a box. Correct? I'll put this in a box. Now what did I tell you? Look at the signs. The signs, one is plus and the other sign is minus. So the signs are different. If they are different, what do? If they are different, I have to add. Okay, if they are different, I must add. If they are same, I subtract. Okay, the two equations. So if they are different, I must add the equations. I have to add the equations. Okay, you remember this? I just taught you just now, right? So adding means not to change the sign. Okay, so I add, so I don't change the sign. Okay, so this gets cancelled. 2x plus 3x, 5x. Subtraction means changing the signs. Adding means not to change the sign. So 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 upon 5. X is equal to 2. Okay. Now, what did I do out here? I have to write the reason. What is the reason I did? Okay. I added. So, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Right? Adding equation 1 and 2. Therefore, my x is equal to 2. Now, next, substitute x equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay, now see my. Okay, so 2x plus y equals to 5. Therefore, 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, 4 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to write our answer. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the given equations. Okay, now we'll move to the third sum. Okay, third sum. Now let's write the question down. The third sum. Okay, third sum is like this. 3x minus 5y is equal to 16 and x minus 3y is equal to 8. First check, is it in the form x, y equal to constant in both the cases? Check both the cases, x, y equal to constant. Yes, so it is correct. So now we have to call this as equation 1. Okay, and we will call this as equation 2. Now look at the coefficients. This is 3 and here the coefficient is 1. This is 5 and here the coefficient is 3. So the coefficients are not the same. So we have to make it the same. Now look at this. This is my 1 and 3. Isn't this better? So I'll multiply equation 1. I'll multiply it by 1 because 1 is here. And equation 2 I'll multiply by 3. So please you have to write this step, multiplying equation 1 by 1, multiplying equation 2 by 3 by 3. So when we multiply it by 1, okay, when we are multiplying it by 1, okay, just see what happens. 1 means it's not going to change, so I'm going to write 3x minus 5y equal to 16, and when I multiply by 3, 3x minus 9y equal to 24. Okay, this is the same equation, so I'll call this as my equation 1, but this equation has changed, so I'll call this as my equation 3. Equation 3. Okay, now look at this, let's put this in the box. Correct, because they have the same coefficient, right? Now look at the signs. This is plus and this is also plus. So I told you, when the signs are the same, I have to subtract. Subtract means this is plus, I'll make it minus. This is minus, I have to make it plus, and this is plus, again I have to make it minus, right? So now this gets cancelled off, right? Minus 5 plus 9 is 4y is equal to minus 8, because plus 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Therefore, y is equal to minus 8 upon 4. Y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. Is that clear? Y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now, what's the next one? Substitute. Now here what do I have to write? I have to write the reason. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 1. Sorry, I'm little scribbling it, right? So my y is equal to minus 2. Okay, I hope you have it clear. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 1. Okay, so now substitute y equal to minus 2 in which equation? Which is the easier equation? Let's substitute it in equation 2. In equation 2. Okay, let's see equation 2. What is equation 2? X minus 3y equal to 8. Therefore, x minus 3 into minus 2 equal to 8. Therefore, x plus 6 is equal to 8. X plus 6 is equal to 8. Okay, therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Right, x is equal to minus 2. Okay, not x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 2. 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. Right, so now at the end we have to write, okay, we have to write this, that I'm rubbing this because I want some space. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2 is a solution of the equation. Is this clear? Is this very clear, boys? Okay, students, is this very clear? If any of you outside my school classes watching these videos, you'll wonder why I keep saying boys. okay, because I teach in a boys school. Okay, so I'm so used to saying boys, okay, to my lovely students at Sacred Heart Boys High School. Okay, now sum number 4. Let's continue. Let's go to sum number 4. Okay, let me write it a little up over here. Okay, sum number 4. I hope you can see it. Okay, sum number 4. What is my sum number 4? Now, 2y minus x is equal to 0. 2y minus x is equal to 0. Now, I told you I want x, then I want y, and then I want equal to constant. X, y and constant. So, I am not going to name this. So, I will call this minus x plus 2y equal to 0. Okay, I'll just move a little bit this side because when I have to write multiplying and all, it becomes a little difficult, right? So, therefore, minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, this is my equation 1. So, I am just writing as 1 right now. You please write it as equation 1, right? The next equation is 15x 10x plus 15y. So, 10x plus 15y equal to 10x plus 15y equal to 105. Equal to 105. Okay, 105. Okay, this is my equation 2. Right? Now you see this. What is there here? This is minus 1x. Minus 1x, right? See, this side, my side did not change. Therefore, my sign did not change. Therefore, this is minus only, right? Now, this is 10 and this is minus 1. Can I multiply this equation by 10? And can I multiply this equation by 1? You can multiply by 15 and 2 also. But why you want such a big thing, right? So, I have to say multiplying equation 1 by 10 and multiplying equation 2 by 1. 1 means it doesn't make a difference, it does not change. When I have 10, it will become minus 10x plus 20y equal to 0. Equation 3, because I am using a new equation. 1, it does not make a difference. 10x plus 15y equal to 105. This equation has not changed, so it will remain as equation 2. I'm not going to change this equation. Now let's put this, both these are having the same coefficient, so I'll put this in the dabba. Okay, now I'll look at the signs. Okay, the signs are different, so I have to add. I have to add means I don't have to change the sign. So this gets cancelled. 35y is equal to 105. So I have to write adding equation 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Okay, so let's write this down here so that you can see it better. Equation 3 and 2. Right? Therefore, y is equal to 105 upon 35. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, substituting y equal to 3 in the simplest equation, in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1. Okay, what is my equation 1? Minus x plus 2y equal to 0. Therefore, minus x, 2 3s are 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus x equals to minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Please write your answer statement. Okay. Please write your answer statement. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal is a solution of the given is a solution with some number. We'll continue with sum number 5. This is the last sum I'll do. The last sum you can do on your own. Sum number 5. 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. Okay, please keep it like this, right? This is my equation 1. Equation 1. Now see my second equation. See my second equation. X minus 5y equal to 11. This is equation 2. So look at the coefficient. This is 2 and 1 not the same. 3 and 5 not the same. So you multiply this equation by 1 and you multiply this equation by 2. Please see that you write that statement. Multiplying equation 1 by 1, multiplying equation 2 by 2. So when you multiply by 1, 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. This is the same equation. So I'll call it as equation 1. When I multiply by 2, it will change. 2x minus 10y equal to 22. Okay, so this is my equation 2. Okay, now look at this. Look at this, right? Now look at the sign here. This is plus and this sign is plus. If the signs are the same, what must I do? I must subtract the two equations. So this becomes minus, this becomes plus, and this becomes minus, right? So this gets cancelled. Plus 3 minus 10, plus 3 plus 10 is 13y equals to minus 26. Okay, subtracting equation 2 from 1. So I am subtracting 2. So I change the signs of 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 26 upon 13, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, substituting y equal to minus 2 in equation, which equation do you want to consider? I want to consider equation 2 because it's the easier equation. X minus 5y equal to 11. Therefore, x minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 11. Therefore, x is equal to 11. This is plus 10, so it becomes minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Please write the answer statement. Please write the answer statement. Okay, it's very important to write. Now, the last sum, okay, again, it's easy, so you can do it. It's of the same type. Okay, so you can do the last sum. Okay. Okay, since it is a short sum, I will do it with you. Okay. Let me start the last sum also. Let me finish the last sum. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6. 2x minus 7y equal to 7 and 3x plus y equal to 22. This is 1y, correct? Call this as equation 1. Call this as equation 2. Now I have to write that dialogue, multiplying equation 1 by 1 because this is the one,
and this is 7. So I'll multiply this equation by 7. So when we multiply by 1, there is no change. 2x minus 7y equal to 7. Call this as equation 1. I am not changing the equation. When I multiply by 7, 7 3s are 21x plus y, 7y. Okay, 7 into y, 7y. 22 154. Okay, this is my equation 3. Right, now look at this. Put this in the box. Okay, put this in the box. Okay, the signs are different, so I'm going to add. The signs are different, so I'm going to add. So this cancels. 21 23x 161. This is adding equation 1 and 3. Therefore, x is equal to 161 upon 23. 7 x is equal to 7. Therefore, substituting x equal to 7 in equation 1. In equation 1. 2x, equation 1, yeah, equation 1 is also true. 2x minus 7y equals to 7. Therefore, 2 into 7. Therefore, minus 7y, 7 minus 14, minus 7y equals to minus 7, 7, 7, minus minus cancels, so y is equal to 7 upon 7, 1. Please write the answer statement. For the last two sums, I have not written the answer statement. What is the answer statement? X equal to 7 and y equal to y equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation.